Men, let me talk directly to you. From the time when we were boys, growing up, getting guidance from our parents or parent, going into elementary school, middle school, high school, and if we were fortunate enough going to college, we've been given all types of information. Some of that information was misinformation, but information all the same. If you're 40 to 60 years old, at this point, you're not confused. You're carrying weight. You've built things, a career, a family, a reputation. You've sacrificed, and you've showed up. You've handled business. But somewhere along the way, somewhere in that travel, in those journeys, you've stopped handling you. You are successful on paper, but restless in private. You are respected by others, but not sure in yourself, or not sure with yourself. You're tired, not physically, but internally. You work with men, women, all types of individuals as you've gone through your life and had a lot of experience along the way. I work with men exactly like you. Not boys, not dreamers, not excuse makers. Men who have done the hard work, but you're done surviving and you're ready to rebuild. The rebuild process isn't motivation, it's structure. It's clarity, accountability, execution, and all of those things that can move you forward. We build your mindset, we rebuild your discipline, we rebuild your identity, and we rebuild your direction. Because at this stage in life, you don't need hype. You need strategy, a plan that's going to get you and help you to get where you need to be. You need a process. If you are ready to stop carrying everything alone, if you are ready to become strong in the areas that no one sees, then I am ready to work with you. The rebuild process isn't about starting over. Not at all. It's about you taking the knowledge and the experience that you have and expanding on that and focusing on you, not neglecting the things that you are also, or that you've been doing, or that are also your responsibilities, but start to work on recovering the you that probably got lost along the way of you accomplishing all your goals. So, again, rebuild and the rebuild process isn't about starting over. It's about becoming the man that you were supposed to be all along. They call me Mr. Z, and I welcome you to check us out at Mr. Z Inspires, which is our website is www.mrzinspires.com, and our YouTube page is Mr. Z Inspires. If the message that I'm leaving resonates with you, reach out and let's see if we can work together. Thank you for your time, and you have a great day.